How to transfer BONK from bitget to metamask wallet on PC. Now to be able to do that, make sure you are logged into your bitget account. Now after that, head over to wallet icon and click on asset overview. Now after that, click on spot from the sidebar, and after that on withdrawal, click on withdrawal like that. Now in the select coin, just search for BONK like this. After you find this, click on it. Make sure you select on chain, and the Solana, it will be the only network available in bitget. Now to be able to send it to metamask, just open the metamask wallet, as you can see here. Now as you can see, the metamask, it's not supported Solana, but you need to add the Solana network to metamask. So after you add the Solana network to metamask, just go on Radium. So it's well known and like decentralized exchange platform, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap. After you open it, you need to connect your wallet. Now as you can see, connect metamask. So after you add the Solana network to metamask, you will see this little icon of Solana network under the metamask icon. Now after you click on it, now just wait a few seconds to be able to connect your metamask. So after that, click on continue, and now this solve layer will pop up. Now after that, click on connect. As you can see, we have the Solana wallet in or integrated on the metamask. Now after that, open it. As you can see, now it's easy. Just click on receive, and now copy the address of Solana that you added on your metamask wallet. Now go back to bitget, and now as you can see, paste the withdrawal address, and now click on next. As you can see, you can now type how much of BONK you want to transfer. Now this is how much fee you will pay, this is how much you will receive on your metamask wallet. Now after you are ready to go, click on withdraw, and you will be able to transfer BONK from bitget to metamask wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.